Hey guys, Super Silverstone here. Today we're going to be making a data pack for Minecraft in my new series, Datapack Design. If you don't know what a data pack is, let me explain. So a data pack is used to add or change specific features for Minecraft. These include some of the following: recipes, functions, advancements, loot tables, structures, tags, biomes, dimensions, predicates, and more. A data pack is done in a similar way to a resource pack. This can be comparable to plugins, except easier with minimal code. Data packs are fully supported by Minecraft and work in single and multiplayer. So in today's video, we're going to be setting up our data pack and go over some of the basics. So let's get started. So a data pack is created with JSON, basically a subtype of JavaScript. Since we need to deal with actual code, we do want to be able to edit our code. To edit it, we're going to be using an IDE. An IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It's an application that comes with a suite of several spaces, usually including a source code editor, debugger, a terminal, or as some people call it, a console, and build tools. I'm going to be using the IDE VScode, and we'll show you how to install a fresh copy and all of the plugins you'll need. So let's start. First, you're going to load up your browser, and you're going to go to the site code.visualstudio.com. Sorry, I'm in a weird position. And here, you're just going to install it just by clicking this button here, or if you have a different version, you can find a stable version here for either Mac, Windows, or Linux. When you install Visual Studio Code, you should get a program that looks like this. It might have a Get Started screen or a Welcome screen up here, and you can just click the little X in the top right to close it out. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click this little Explore button. This will open up your Explorer. We're going to go into that in just a minute. First, you're going to head over to the Extensions tab. Now, there's going to be a few extensions that you need to install, as you can see the ones here. You're going to need to type in exactly Datapack Helper Plus into this little search bar at the top. So that's where you're going to type it in. You're going to type in Datapack Helper Plus, Debugger for Minecraft Function, Language-MC Function, and if you would like, Minecraft Json Viewer. Okay? You can use JSON for Visual Studio Code, but you do not need to. I'll have all the links for all of these in the description, and then you can download them and install them, just by clicking the little Install button and the Enable button. So now we're going to head back to the Explorer, or by doing Control-Shift-E, and we're going to close out of our extensions. So now that we have that, we're actually going to go over to our desktop, and we're going to create a new folder. We're going to name this our data pack. You can name this whatever you like. I'm just going to call it Datapack Design, because this is what's going to hold your data pack. Next, what you're actually going to do is, once you have your folder, you're going to go back into VS Code, and you can go to File, Open Folder, Control-K, Control-O, or you can click the little Open Folder button. I'm going to Open Folder, and you're going to open up your Datapack Design folder. Once you actually get it all booted up and everything, you're going to click the little Yes, I Trust the Authors button, because if this is your folder, you should trust what it is. And so here, we have, you should see, instead of like no folder, you should see the name of your folder, and we can see it right here. So what we're first going to do is we're going to add in a new folder, and we're going to name it Data, with no casing, or no spaces. Then you're going to go on the outside, and you're going to add a new file, and you're going to name this Pack.mcmeta. Right? You can see the differences in what they look like here. This is a file, and this is a folder. So in the file, we're going to create a Pack.mcmeta. To do this, we're going to start with a set of curly brackets, and then we're going to open some quotes, and we're going to go pack, just like that, and then on the outside, we're going to have a colon, and then we're going to run that into some more brackets, or curly brackets, and then we're going to run that into some more quotes, which is going to say pack_format, just like that, and on the outside a colon, and then that's going to run into a number with a comma on the end. And next you're going to open up some more quotes on the line below, and you're going to type in description. On the outside you're going to have a colon, and you're going to run that into a string, and with no comma after it. This Pack.mcmeta, what the Pack.mcmeta does is it declares to Minecraft what your pack actually is. So this is going to tell Minecraft everything about your pack, all of the version for it, the name of it, everything that it needs to know about your pack. So description is just kind of a name that Minecraft can use for your pack. What do you want to tell the player about your pack? In this case, I would say tutorial data pack for just tutorial data pack. We'll do that, tutorial data pack. But pack format is going to take a number. here. As you can see, 1 works, 5 works, 18 works. Now, if you don't know what number, you're not going to just put, I want 1.19, so I'm going to put 1.19, or 1.19. That's not how that works. So a number is allocated to a certain amount of snapshot versions and Minecraft versions. So if you wanted 1.19, you would put in the number 10. Now, how do I know that? You can find it out on the official Minecraft, or not official, but the Minecraft wiki, or you can go to a site called VScode.github.io. Looks like this. And here, if you scroll down to Minecraft versions, and click the little button here, or you go to miscode.github.io/versions, you can see what version corresponds to what pack format number. So if you wanted 1.18.2, you can see that pack format number, it turns to a 9. If you wanted 1.16, that's a 5, okay? And it changes based on what version or snapshot it is, right? Now that we have that done, we're actually going to go back into our data folder. So what you should have is you should have your data folder and your pack.mcmeta. However, they should be next to each other, meaning that you don't have one on the inside of the other with this little line here where you can open and close it. You want them to be on the outside right next to each other, meaning if you opened up your Datapack design folder, they would be right next to each other. Next, inside of your data folder, so by clicking on it, you're going to create a new folder, and you're going to name this folder Minecraft. Just lowercase, no spaces, Minecraft. Then you're going to create a new folder, but if you create a new folder just like this, it'll put it inside of the Minecraft, so click on Data. Alright, and here we're going to do our namespace. Okay, so you should have 2 folders now next to each other, Minecraft and your namespace folder. So what is your namespace? Your namespace is a custom, tag or text that has to do with your pack and tells Minecraft, hey, this pack's information, if it adds these blocks or these advancements, it changes it so Minecraft knows these are Minecraft blocks, and it knows these are your Datapack's blocks in that case. So you can rename this to whatever you would like, no spaces, no caps. I'm going to call mine Datapack Design, just like that, and that's done. So we are actually finished with our pack. So you're going to come back next episode where we're going to go over in detail how to actually download your Datapack, or any for that matter, and upload it to your Minecraft world. Thank you for watching. Please check out all my socials in the description, and if you need help, I do have a Discord server linked below. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. So, if you don't notice the elephant, yeah, this is a new series that I'm doing for Datapack creation. This will be like a semi-weekly series that I hope to do as much as I can. These first few episodes will come together pretty quickly. Then after that, we do start getting more complicated. So yeah, stick around. Go into every nook and cranny.